Okay, so this morning on Beep Beep, I forgot I had a stick shift. And my child watched me struggle. She watched me struggle. Stick shift gang. Well, right here, me and Pinky went to Walmart and we went to go get a battery for my truck. Hey, Pinky. I love you. But anyway, shit, we making our way out to. Damn, you need to get out the way. Damn, yeah, we're going to get in the line, and I'm about to pay for this battery and my shirt, and we're about to go to the next store because I forgot super glue to fix my key that got broke when I went to the whatchamacallit. So I'll be right back in a minute. And they need to move out the way too. Hold on, y'all. All right, so we outside with it. I had to go get a battery for my Explorer. I couldn't say nothing in Walmart earlier because they play a lot of music. They suck for that. It's early morning. We're up here just making a couple runs. I had to go get a battery, like I said. I went and got a petty ass t-shirt for myself. I gotta go get super glue because they broke one of my keys.
And a plate cover for your car.
And a plate cover because I don't want anything that says Garber on my Jeep. So I'm about to peel that sticker off my Jeep and I'm about to remove that plate cover from my Jeep.
We're trying to get all this stuff done before we got to go to the doctor.
Fuck it, I'm going. But yeah. Yeah, you sit really right here.
That's not really. Keep going, it's right there. I see it.
Excuse me.
Right there. Blue. Or there's this one that has two super glue gels. Or this one has two super glues. Or these ones that have the little single-use super glues. This has 4 of them. Single-use ones.
Excuse me. Oh, come on, man. Hurry up when we get up out of here, dude. I said, yeah, come on. So I'm saying, she like playing in the store like a little ass kid. Why does she do that every time we go in the store? So now y'all get to watch this struggle. So I'm about to have Pinky record me driving. I haven't driven a stick almost like 20 years. A real stick, I guess.
You look like 14 then.
Yeah, I used to drive Chris's car that he had. It was a Cavalier stick shift.
Shit, no. So he was only like 14. He's our age.
What are you talking about? I'm 35, fool. Her dumb ass can't count. She don't even know how old I am. You see how bad she is?
Okay, 15. Who's driving around at 15?
Kids that got cars.
You ain't even got a license at 15.
Hence the reason why I didn't get the car. It was you go. I'm good. I'm good on her. She don't even
That's
comprehend.
What I'm saying. Here you come.
Watch out. Get your hands off me, man. Stick shift gang. So I have 6 gears. I'm in neutral right now. Supposed to be in neutral right now. Boy.
He's mad because I'm packing in the morning.
Yeah, that shit starting to piss me off for real.
No, it's not.
No music.
There ain't no music even on.
Was music on?
No, there was not.
When we got out here, it was on. So, I want to go the other way. So what's going on at GameStop today? He got pajamas on like he a whole female out here standing
I
up.
thought that was a female. Oh, those are the lawn care people that you do not want to do your yard. Leave blowing them leaves and garbage just up in the grass. Are we going to like O'Reilly's or anything? I'm still recording.
That's fine. I can struggle quietly.
It's a little too quiet for the struggle. Like you need to walk us through your struggle.
Look. So, like I said, I found out in reality that it wasn't my fault that the clutch malfunctioned because I was able to put my Jeep in reverse without pulling up on the knob. So that's letting you know it was not my fault. I made it all the way to another city 40 minutes away damn near. And if it was my fault, I wouldn't even made it that far. I wouldn't be able to get out of the parking lot. So, whatever.
But now you know that you got to pull up and put it in reverse, though.
Yeah, now I know that.
Which you'll probably be making a video about just that later on.
What, driving the stick?
How to find reverse. Oh, I gotta go to Walgreens too. We can go to drive too.
I don't want to go through the drive. up here like that?
Man. So we will be pausing this right quick.
Yeah. Alright, so how to get into gear. So you want to put your foot down on the clutch. You want to throw it up and release off of the shit.
Not that way.
Alright. Release off the clutch a little bit. Put your foot on the gas. I was a little nervous as I looked back and see cars behind me, so I'm like trying to hurry up. And then I threw it into second. I don't like second gear because of the pull. Feels weird. Oh shit, hold on. Alright, so yeah, while you're at a stop though, put your car in neutral.
Or you start to go again and it cuts off almost every time. Damn. I'm gonna say O'Reilly's right here. Or we can go down to AutoZone. I guess we're going to AutoZone. That person with that danged up car was trying to go there. We got the last one over there.
Perfect.
Right here. Come over just growl at you.
That's that bitch put me in park. That's what it was. So hold on, we about to get up out here and go up in the O'Reilly's. Let's see. Which one you think I should get?
Of course, the green one. If I had a blue one, I would probably get a. Oh, or that one. Does that tell you what it is up top?
What do you mean?
I'm just asking if I have a gear. This thing at the top.
What do you mean, gear?
I don't like to tell you what the gears are. You already know that now.
No,
though.
yeah.
I would pick this one. Of
Why?
course. This is a skull and green, or the bullet one, or this 8-ball. But you already know if it was me, I would have picked the pink one, so I know you ain't.
Give me these. And give me these. Anyway, so I went and got a couple things for my car, cause apparently I ain't about to be spending money on the snowplow. I don't know if I mentioned this to anybody, but I went to go check and see after I got my Jeep back. I didn't expect to get my Jeep back as fast, so I planned on getting the plow truck and just drive the plow truck until I got my Jeep back. But here we go, got my Jeep back. Didn't get the plow truck because the person didn't have it ready. I'm not really stressing over it because they had to do work to it. But that's just the reality of it. And I ain't stressing it. I ain't.
Found it right away this time.
No, I'm rolling backwards because of the what you call it?
He told you to come on.
You might as well go ahead. I'm driving the stick shift. Yeah, you might as well go ahead. I'm driving the stick shift. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I see it in the sunlight. Oh, man.
Don't talk about the hill.
Why don't you shut up?
You gonna hit the brake? Oh my
shit.
Why are you reversing?
This corner I do not like right here. Can you see me in there or what?
Yeah, you can.
I was wondering, G. I didn't want you to be looking on to the fucking.
Oh, brightness. You can see all that too.
That's what I'm saying.
It's seeing like your head on the side and the window.
So what happened there was my phone died in the middle of me recording, so I just went ahead and just drove home. There's no point of recording anymore, acting like there was more than what it was. All I'm doing is putting gloves on, and I'm going to put super glue on the key that's broken. And you guys can see it's actually like 3 pieces. There's the actual 5 piece, the key that you'd put in there, and then there's the piece that holds that key and the 5 together. I'm just super gluing them together. And then I'm going to wait maybe like 10 minutes or whatever the required time is. And then I'm going to go outside and try my key. Alright, so
I fell.
Alright, so what I'm doing right now is, like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put this key together. So let me hold it the right way. So this is the piece I was talking about, the piece that broke off, that I'm about to lose.
Those are my pants.
This is the piece right here. You probably can't see it. Let me hold it like this. So I'm sorry for the angle that she's holding the camera at, because she was not holding it straight up. She's holding it to the side. So if
Don't we start over?
No, it's fine. So if it,
I'm just saying,
so
like,
anyway, if the angle changes or whatever, if you can't really see what I'm doing, that's why. But that's the piece again, like I said, the piece that will go into the ignition or the door that's broke off. So that's probably why my Jeep was unlocked the whole time and dead and stuff. They probably broke the key off into it. Somebody probably panicked, didn't know how to get the key out. All they had to do was pull out their fingertips And plus, they probably thought they couldn't get it in gear or turn it on because of the gear or whatever the case was. They were doing too much at that point. So they broke my key. That was the whole problem. So now I'm about to just put the key off in there like this, lay it on top of it. I'm just gonna set that piece down for a moment. Open up my glue. Oh snap. Then put it right there. And it's gel, by the way, y'all. So I'm about to smooth it around up in there. And then I'm gonna close this up because I don't even need it no more. Then wear gloves, y'all. That's the reason why I said wear gloves, because you're gonna have to press onto the key. So I'm gonna turn around so I can feel comfortable with how I'm placing it, and just place it on there with one run. So press down on it. Okay, there we go. I actually had to touch it. I didn't want to touch it for real. That was the reason why I said you had to wear gloves, because you had to touch it for real. Press down on it. So now what I'm doing, I'm just letting it dry. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. All right, so we're just waiting here for the moment. Waiting until this key dries, and it says that it normally, or this brand normally would dry within press here for 15 seconds. Clean it. Okay, well, it said 15 seconds, so I'm gonna give it like a minute, because I just want to give it a minute, because it is the key to my new Jeep. And then I just want to do a couple more things before I go outside, because like I said, I was supposed to replace the battery on my Explorer. So I want to kind of prep myself for that, get the tools for that before I go outside and do anything else. So I'll see y'all outside in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and try that key whenever I go outside. That's all. All right, y'all, I'm back. This is the broken key. So dry. That's how you can actually tell if the glue is all the way dry. It turned white instead of clear. So we're gonna do the flick test. Okay. Do it one more time. We're gonna do it one more time, 3 times. Okay. And it worked. Well, I am on my way to collect a little bit of money that I got coming towards me. So I decided to take my Jeep instead of my daily Rusty Trusty. And it's driving pretty good, so I'm pleased with the Jeep. You know, I took a little bit of time to get it back, so I'm happy with it, I guess. I was complaining a lot about it, but it took a long time to get that Jeep back. And a lot of guys know I was without this Jeep for like 2 months. So, glad I got it back. Glad everything's working well. So, I'll see y'all a little bit later. Maybe after this little bit of business I take care of. But peace, be safe, y'all.